Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at Hasbro's Beyblade Burst Turbo Swing Shot. Now this one is D33 TA07-S. This one is a Hasbro American exclusive. So Takari Tomy has not even come out with this one. Which, it's kind of weird because, usually Takari Tomy, they're like, always come out with new bays before Hasbro kind of like downgrades them and stuff. But yeah, it's odd that Takari Tomy doesn't even have this. The Hasbro count was it? Was hasn't been the first time Hasbro count was like Diamitri's and the one with the horn, Haos I think it was or Hales. They count with some other ones, but yeah. Anyway, this one is full true name is Ogre 041 Jade S or Jaggy-S. Yeah, so they're kind of using the same old parts. So the only part that so far that I can tell that's really different is your layer right there, your energy layer. Your force is same number one as we've seen with a lot of the Excalius ones. I don't even know why you didn't include a PC, a plastic frame, because most of these number discs have plastic frame, except for number one and I think number 6 or so doesn't have, a plastic frame or a PC. So yeah, and this is just Jaggy, but it's a Jaggy-S, so maybe, it's the new turbo swing shot type of gimmick. It might have something different, but as far as I can tell from looking up on the official WBBA wiki, which links down below in the description there, yeah, Hasbro American exclusive, not Takari Tomy, just a new energy layer, and the rest of the parts seem to be reused. Now this one is a attack type, okay? So, yeah. And if you're just like, oh, can I get it with the launcher? No, you cannot. This only comes as a booster, not a starter. Can you get it in a 2-pack? I'm guessing eventually they'll release it in a 2-pack, but for now, American Hasbro exclusive booster. So, yeah, let's take a look at the stats right here. As you can see, attack is 9, burst 3, defense 0 because, it's a attack type. Weight is 3, agility 6, stamina 1, it is a right spin rotation bay. And here to try to tell you like the gimmick power is 2 and speed is 4 for a spin track, performance tip. D-Lights, Sunlights, WBBA, Hasbro, all that stuff is out of the way. Now the head count was 2 more, so there is 3 exclusive ones. There's this Ogre, there's Triton, which looks like Treptune, but it's not Treptune, and it's not Trident Heavy Claw, which, was Vault Ahoy's little brother. So it definitely looks like a new Bay that they came out with. Just kind of somewhat reusing the same name. And then there's Gargoyle, which of course we've seen Gargoyle in Beyblade Zero G or Shogun Steel here in America. So yeah. So let's get this bay open up and take a look at it. So here's the energy layer, Ogre. There's a little Ogre on there. There's his horn, there's his spike here. Now this thing that down here, all these other silver parts, kind of looks somewhat like bone, so it could be the back of its spine, or somewhat of a wing type of thing. I'm not really sure. Some other things. Now, if this was a Takari Tomy one, I don't know if they would still call it Ogre. They might call it a yokai. They might call it a demon. Because, Japan, yokai kind of means whatever. It's kind of a loose space word. You know what I mean? So you could say, hey, that's an ogre, or hey, that's a yokai. Hey, that's a demon. No, that's a yokai. So yokai kind of plays around with, whatever. Some things. This does not have any special gimmick on the energy layer. As we had seen with the Beyblade Burst Turbo and, Swing Shot and all those other ones. No gimmick. It's just like standard straight up whether Beyblade Burst, first wave and second wave. Does this have metal on there? Nope. All the silver is just painted silver. So it's just painted plastic that's painted silver. No metal. Which is kind of odd because some in the turbo bays, we're seeing them with, actual metal on the energy layer. Besides, Lenore, Luminous, and some other ones. Big question, QR code time! That's right, there's a QR code. Gotta get that out in the way. Now here's something that's fun. See that little hole right there? You can see right there. You could put a level chip in there, but so far I have not really seen level chips here, in America made by Hasbro. Maybe they came in that starter set that, you could kind of swap out parts and create your own bay. Kind of like make your own bay type of thing. But as for actually seeing them come out, in a starter set, like with, a base stadium, or a starter set that's, just with a launcher, or one that just comes with a booster, like these. Heck, I wouldn't even mind paying like about maybe $3.99, $4.99, something roughly around that price range, just to get a freaking, not energy layer, but the little, I just said it a minute ago, I forgot what it was, but you know what I mean. The little level chip, that's what I was speaking of. Level chip to go in there. $3.99, $4.99 by itself. I wouldn't mind paying something around that price. $7.99, no. $12.99, definitely no. Between 15 and 17, ain't no way that I'm gonna buy it for that price. But Hasbro, come on, we need some level chips out in the world. Besides, what comes with a starter, build your own bay. Here's the weight disc, not weight disc, but force disc. As you can see there, number 1. Yes, it can fit a PC or a plastic frame, but they don't include one. It is a 2-star. Yeah, 2-star. And here is Jaggy-S. So, we kind of have the same thing going on there. That kind of looks like 7 or L for Jaggy. Kind of the same outline as Jaggy. Except this one, I don't know how good you can kind of see it. It kind of turns a bit. Don't know what it really does. I do like that they do include instructions with these that do tell you the gimmicks. I wish that the gimmicks were a little bit more clear on the back of the package. So you can say, okay, that one has a pretty cool gimmick. But, nope. So yeah, this one just says, twist that thingy, pull, and then twist again. So, I guess it goes from kind of being like a spike. Yeah, see? Goes from being a spike to kind of a flat, semi-whole flat. So it's not completely a whole flat, but it's not also completely flat performance tip. It's kind of like a semi-half flat performance, whole performance tip. You know what I mean. It's half and half. So you can kind of have it like that, or trace it down and lock the band in place. So, yeah, let's go ahead. Let's assemble the bay. Let's put it in sweater mode. I don't know if my camera's going to cut me. Hopefully not. But you know how this camera is. So if not, I'll see you in part 2. Hopefully there won't be a part 2. But anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. notification bell, the like button, and leave a comment. Just in case. If it turns into a part 2. Yeah. So let's grab a launcher here. Let's launch it standard mode. 3, 2, 1, let it whip. As you can see, very fast and very aggressive. So we're just going to let it kind of cool down on its own. So, you know, it looks nice. I actually like the yellow in the middle. It kind of reminds me also of the old school plastic gem base. The way how it's kind of spinning. So, let's give it a little bit more. Okay, that's with the spite out. Let's see how we do it. Twist it and lock it in place as a semi-whole flat. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! And that one was completely garbage. Let's go again. Come on. That bursts. Come on. Let's try again. Japanese style. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! It seems like it kind of gets caught up a little bit more when you put it in like the semi-whole flat mode